Hi, this is Roy Dickin, and today I want to tell you about one of the best no-cost ways to drive ideal prospects to your website and Google Business Profile. Please take this opportunity to subscribe to this channel and click on the bell so you will be alerted every time I upload a new video that can improve your bottom line. If you're not using your content to make both your ideal prospects and Google happy, this is a change you really need to make. Content marketing is much less expensive than traditional marketing, yet it can bring in 3 times as many leads for your business. Because when you dole out valuable information, customers begin to build trust with you and your brand. The reason it attracts so many new prospects is that 75% of the visitors to your website are coming there for information. When you have the information your ideal clients and customers are seeking, they will find you and get to know you and what your company is all about. Instead of selling, you start the relationship by teaching. There are a number of reasons why this is so powerful. Remember, 3/4 of your website visitors are coming to learn something. Unlike hard selling tactics, which can often come across as pushy or unauthentic, educating your audience can help build trust and strengthen your brand. And educational content tends to be more engaging than sales materials, drawing readers in and holding their attention for longer periods of time. Teaching gives you the opportunity to showcase your expertise and demonstrate how uniquely qualified you are to help solve your potential customers' problems. Besides being a great way to introduce yourself to people who are interested in what you offer, Google will reward you because you have given that searcher what they were seeking. You have provided a good user experience. You have demonstrated your authority. How will they reward you? By sending more visitors your way that you have never met before. This is a win for both you and Google.